Here's the Elliott wave forecast for January 10th, 2011. NASDAQ 5-day chart. Let me bring it up. NASDAQ 5-day chart. Looks like from 2717 to 2680 or 2677. Looks like a worst case scenario is that is an A down or a wave 1 down. And the rally from 2677 to 2704 was an upward 2. If NASDAQ gaps down and drops below 2677, it'll set up a downward 3. That's a worst case scenario. Best case scenario is that it takes out 2717 to the upside and forms an upward 3. Uh, it closed above 0.618 around 2700, so the probability is about 55-45 for a bullish move. It's very close. It's not 50-50, but a little bit to the bullish side. For S&P, looks like they completed impulse down off of 1278 and then rallied in at least an upward 2. An upward 2 would have retraced to 1272, which it did. That's exactly 0.618 of the drop from 1278 to 1262. So if it drops below 1262 this week, it'll set up a downward 3 or worse. Best case scenario is that it takes that 1278 and forms an upward 3. And this chart is more like 50-50, or like 51-49 to the bullish side. Not quite entirely 50-50, but a little bit towards the bullish side. It closed at 0.618 exactly. For the Dow, looks like it completed impulse down and then rallied an upper 2. The upper 2 would have retraced to around 11,690 approximately, and it closed below that. So if this is a drop below 11,600 this week, it'll set up a downward 3. Best case scenario, it closes above 11,740 to form an upward 3. So basically, we're 50-50, but leaning a little bit towards the bullish side, but it's still about 50-50 in either direction. So basically, the gap up or down tomorrow could dictate the next couple of weeks, maybe. Um, it's gone sideways for about 10 days, and even though we had that big rally in the beginning of the year, but it's kind of a messy formation right now, so everything's become 50-50. That's a wrap.